Hello and welcome to episode 22 of Global Journeys Navigating Immigration. I'm Sam Bayad, and today we're exploring the crucial topic of transferring money internationally, a skill that is essential for many immigrants. Whether you are sending money back home, paying for overseas education, or moving your savings to a new country, understanding the best practices and potential pitfalls of international money transfer is vital. Let's break this down. Methods of transfers: traditional bank transfers, online money transfer services like Wise or PayPal, cryptocurrency transfers, foreign exchange brokers. Each method has its pros and cons regarding speed, cost, and security. Exchange rates: be aware of the mid-market rates and how different providers' rates compare. Some services offers better rates but charges higher fees, while others might offer free transfers but profit from less favorable exchange rates. Fees: understanding all the fees involved, sending fees, receiving fees, and any intermediary bank fees can significantly impact the amount received, especially for smaller transfers. Timing: exchange rates fluctuate constantly. If you're transferring large sums, consider using forward contracts to lock in rates for future transfers. Regulations: be aware of reporting requirements for large transfers. In many countries, transfers over 10,000 US must be reported to financial authorities. Security: only use reputable licensed providers. Be aware of deals that seems too good to be true, as they often are. Tax implications: large transfers can trigger tax inquiries. Keep clean records of the source and purpose of transferred funds. Remember, what works best can vary depending on the countries involved, the amount being transferred, and your specific needs. It's worth comparing a few options before making a significant transfer. International money transfers are crucial to many immigrants' financial lives. By understanding your options and the factors involved, you can save money and avoid potential headaches. In our next episode, we'll explore the challenges and opportunity of starting a business as an immigrant. Until then, I'm Sam Bayat, reminding you that in the world of international finance, knowledge truly is power. Stay informed, stay prepared, and make your money work for you, no matter where you are in the world.